Go ahead and explain what's on your hands.
This is a turkey.
Mm-hmm.
And this is his mouth, and this is his body, and this, my hand is his feathers.
Mm-hmm. And what's your little turkey rhyme? A turkey is a bird.
The turkey is a funny bird. His head goes wobble, wobble. And all he knows is just one word, and that is gobble, gobble.
Awesome. Now, what's your song?
Oh my God, you'll see. This is the way we grind our corn, grind our corn, grind our corn. This is the way we grind our corn on Thanksgiving Day. This is the way we hunt for food, hunt for food, hunt for food. This is the way we catch some fish, catch some fish, catch some fish. This is the way we catch some fish on Thanksgiving Day. This is the way we share our food, share our food, share our food. This is the way we share our food on Thanksgiving Day.
Yay! I love it. Good job, Noah.